wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best shoe cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you don't want to bother with a brush and polish, Crep Protect offer a convenient alternative. These handy double-sided wipes are both smooth and textured and work on everything from suede to vinyl, so they're super practical for unexpected stains when on the go. They come packed in a nifty travel tin with a pleasant fresh linen aroma. However, they're not as powerful as other picks. At number 9, Pink Miracle combines saddle soap, conditioners and a blend of gentle oils to revitalize roughed up kicks and get them looking like they just came out of the box. Plus, it's non-toxic and highly concentrated, so you can use it around the house too. It helps to extend shoe lifespan, and a little goes a long way. But it's not great for suede. Coming in at number 8 on our list, trail runners and athletes who find themselves barricading their tennies in the closet when they get home might want to check out Soft Sole 3-in-1, a kit geared toward waterproofing and freshening overtaxed sneakers with a non-silicone spray and instant scrubbing foam. It comes with a helpful brush top cap, and the included deodorizer balls work quickly. However, it does require a bit of elbow grease. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shoe cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, useful on sidewalls, soles and all variations of textiles, in addition to a myriad of household surfaces. Angelus Easy is a versatile multi-purpose cleaner made in the USA that's particularly convenient to have around for routine care, as it's relatively mild. It's also suitable for car upholstery and can remove ink from leather, but it doesn't polish or condition. Moving up our list to number 6, especially well suited to eliminating grime from midsoles. Jason Markk Premium is effective and safe on washable materials in any hue, working to combat even the most formidable mishaps. It's also completely biodegradable and comes with a handy non-scratch brush. It's packaged in a resealable pouch and contains no chemicals or abrasives. However, the solution is too thin for some. Halfway up our list at number 5. shoeanew bundle is suitable for high heels, sneakers, hiking boots and much more, so it's great for those with a varied footwear collection. It comes complete with a microfiber washcloth and nylon bristle brush, and can do double duty as an odor eliminator too. It kills 99% of germs and is backed by a satisfaction guarantee, but its foaming action is lackluster. At number 4, made in France and used by the likes of luxury designers such as Hermes, Saphir Renovateur is a pigment-free hydrating cream infused with mink oil that's ideal for your high-end yet well-worn boots and Oxfords, and will nourish even the most exotic skin safely. It accommodates matte patina finishes and won't alter the natural color. However, the included cloth is somewhat flimsy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Whether you own a pair of their eponymous boots or not, Dr. Martens Wonder will indeed work a miracle on nearly any leather you expose it to, and it doesn't require polishing either. Simply massage a palmful into your favorite loafers and let it soak into the fibers. It's infused with coconut oil and beeswax and resists water and salt marks. It works on a variety of colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shoe cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Fiebing's Yellow works to remove all but the most indelible stains from your precious leather footwear without eating away at its original finish. This potent paste foams up quickly with a touch of water and lifts away dirt before replenishing fibers with a blend of oils. It doesn't leave any residue behind and keeps your footwear supple and strong. It's great for handbags and belts too. And taking the top spot on our list, the Shoe MGK kit has everything you need to keep your footwear looking immaculate. You need to use only a small amount of this all-natural cleansing conditioner, which is specially formulated to tackle a host of stains, including grass, red clay, oil, and even blood. It comes as a set of 2 with a soft bristle brush. A single bottle can last for months. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shoe cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.